Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and today's core workout. Hey, for once we are out in the woods, we're not in the basement. Nice and simple core workout today. So there's gonna be 6 different exercises. Follow along with me, 50 repetitions per exercise, and there are gonna be no breaks between the sets. We're just gonna move straight through. So I'm gonna do the best I can to count up to 50, and let's get going. Let me just adjust the camera so it's pointing down the ground, and I'll see you guys in about 1 second. All right guys, welcome back. We're down on the ground, lay back, cross one leg over the other, and just give me 50 crunches to one side. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Five down, keep it up. Just getting started, it's almost a warm-up. 10 down, 40 left. Remember, we're not stopping today. We're going all the way through. And that's 20, 30 left. I'm going from right to left. You're doing whatever you're doing. $20 left, keep it up. $10 more. And that's 50, switch sides, ready? And let's go. And down, 40 left, keep it up. That's 5, 16, 17, 18, 19, keep it up, 20. $20 left. Eight, 9, 10, 10 left. Ready? Count down with me. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. All right. Now we're doing both sides at once. Hands behind your head. Lower back pressed against the ground as much as you can. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Control movement. And 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's 20. Keep going. Halfway done. $20 left. Don't pull on that neck. Just curl up. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. All right, here we go. Single digits. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, we're done crunching, guys. Now let's work the lower core a little bit. Can't speak once again, and do some leg raises. Ready? Just seated down on the ground. One leg stays on the ground. Lean back and just give me lifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. 30 left. Keep it up. Keep going. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's 30. 20 left. Starting to tickle. Starting to tickle. Keep it up. My workouts, I always say your workouts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Switch legs. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep it up. 8, 9, and 10. Keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 20. 1, 2, 3. 2 more left, and we're halfway done. And there is halfway mark, and keep it up. 20 left. 8, 9, 10 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, lay back down, all the way on the ground. Support the lower back, just like that. Let me flip this way and give me both legs at once. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guess what? We're going for 50 still. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice and control movements. 10. 4. Halfway. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep it up. 10. 20 left. We got this. Left. Ready? 1, 2. Come on, come with me. 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, and 10. And curl up. We have one exercise left. This deck is so comfortable on my lower back today. Feels so good. I think we have to finish off the tailbone by doing some Russian twists. Ready, guys? 50 Russian twists. Up to you if the legs stay up or the legs stay down. Doesn't matter. Just give me your best effort. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's 10. We got 40 left. My pace, don't go any faster. We're not rushing to the end here. That's 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Halfway. 20 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. I'm going to stay right down here, guys. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. We got the great outdoors today. Make sure you come back every Monday and every Thursday for more workouts, and I'll see you guys then.